Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make a quick dinner. This is perfect for a weeknight when you don't have much time. We're gonna do mini farfalle with grape tomatoes, spinach, onions, and capers. I'm gonna get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
I have a 4-quart pot with boiling salted water, and I'm gonna add in our half a box or 8 ounces of the mini farfalle. And we're gonna cook this 9 to 10 minutes. I don't really want it al dente because we're just gonna add it in. And personally, I don't prefer al dente. If you do, please make it 7 minutes and that way it'll be al dente. I have my large frying pan over medium-high heat, and to that we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to saute our 1 onion that's finely chopped. And we're gonna just saute it until it's translucent. Our onions are beginning to get just a tiny little bit of color on them, so I'm gonna turn the heat down. And then I'm gonna also now add in our spinach and saute that until it's nice and tender. And once our spinach leaves have started to wilt, we're gonna add in our grape tomatoes, which I halved. We're gonna add in our half teaspoon of dried basil, and actually I prefer to sort of crush this up to release the flavors in it. Get that in. And our dried oregano, a half teaspoon of each. Again, I like to crush it up, release the flavor from it. So I'm just using tongs to stir this up. You can use a wooden spoon if you prefer. I just want to saute this a bit more. And now I'm going to add in our 2 tablespoons of capers, a little bit of the caper juice. And I want to saute it until the tomatoes begin to soften a bit. So I let that saute for about 4 minutes. And now my farfalle has been cooked and strained, and we're just gonna toss it in to a pan and heat it back up. And this was very easy, quick and easy way to make a weeknight meal that's full of color and flavors. And as soon as you've heated up the pasta, just turn it off and then serve on a plate our beautiful mini farfalle with spinach, grape tomatoes, capers, onions. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. You can make this for lunch even. And then of course you want to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. That was so good. I absolutely love this, and I will make this more often. It is so quick and easy. I hope you're inspired to make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out more of our videos on our YouTube channel.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.